Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla and I'm back again with another lookbook that no one ever asked for. So today I'm going to be styling one of my favorite Air Jordan 1's, these court purples right here. And I got them a while back already, but I haven't really been taking photos of my outfits on Instagram and sharing them with you guys. So I thought, why not create a lookbook just to show you guys how I've been styling these babies recently. So let's get on with it.
First up, of course, something super comfy, as I always prefer to dress in. I decided to play around with the different shades of violet just to keep it playful, since the silhouettes I'm wearing are all very boyish and baggy and oversized. I'm decked out in all Nike gears. Both the cargo trousers and the sweatshirt is from their ACG line. And I layered a few necklaces just for an added, cool girl appeal. If I was going for an even more playful, girlier version of the first outfit, I'll switch it up with the trousers that is something even more colorful than the first one. These pink ones are Zara, which I got from way back. It goes well with the print on this ACG sweater, I think. They're the same kind of pink. And to accessorize, I added this purple bucket hat. Call this my resort look 2021. I am ready. Taking it down a notch, let's go back to the basics with a pair of mom jeans and a purple knit sweater. These are my current favorite pair of mom jeans, as they're super comfy and they fit my frame well, I think. I've been wearing them a lot these days, also because they're super versatile. I got them from Bershka a while back, and the knit top is from H&M. I decided to bring out my purple Frilla candy bag with a penguin face just to add a playful touch to this otherwise very normcore looking outfit. Now let me ask you guys, who doesn't repeat clothes in a week when literally the most activity you've done so far is head out to the groceries for a few minutes? I know I do. So for this reason, I'm showing you realistically how I'll just switch up my bottoms and wear the same top and call it a different look. These corduroy shorts from Dr. Denim are perfect to wear out for quick errands on days when it's neither too cold nor too warm, which is pretty much often here in Macau. Comfy and casual, just as I like to always look and feel. And since we're being realistic here, I can tell you honestly that these necklaces that I have laid here so far, I've been wearing them in almost every single outfit that I'm wearing these days. Speaking of layers, these corduroy shorts come with this jacket in a set, which I like to do simple layers with. I switch up the sweater with this purple number, this tee from Supreme, layered over this pink jacket for a simple but effective look. And again, for an added cool girl appeal, I brought out this retro-inspired tint and specs. Of course, this lookbook won't be complete without styling a dress, so I threw in this look. I'm really into flowy, breezy frocks as of late, and this plaid one is what I always grab if I want to wear a dress, but still want to be able to move around easily and be able to eat. Especially because I've been eating a lot lately and I'm constantly bloated, so this dress just hides away my food baby perfectly. This dress is from H&M, by the way. For a bit of edge, I added this Nike jacket, also because it tends to get a little chilly in the evenings or at night here in Macau, so it's always best to have like a thin jacket ready. Tie all the look in together, I accessorize with this candy bag again, so it goes well with the sneakers that I'm wearing and the blacks in the outfit overall.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know which outfit you like best. I'm gonna have another styling video upcoming, so if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, of course, hit the notification bell so that you are notified once I have a new video uploaded. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.